Hello dolls, welcome to Wonderland. Come on in.
J. Rossi made the beat.
Whenever you first come in, the door is here, of course. And then here I did move some things around because I had to adjust my room. This was in my room, but now I have my jewelry armoire in here. And then I just have like some of my most worn stuff on the top. And then the drawers are full of other stuff. Kind of a close-up of some of my most worn things and the stuff that's kind of like on the top. Working our way around the room, you can see I have this chair here, which is a high heel chair that I had at my old place in the other video. And then I just put that pillow there that says I never met a lipstick I didn't like. And then I have my purse right there because I just came home. And I'm gonna kind of do this a little bit vlog style so I can really get in and show y'all everything. On this table I have some lip glosses in these two containers, and then I have a picture with me and my friends whenever we went to Miami for my birthday last year. And then I have this sign on the desk right now, or on the table. I just stuck it there because I thought it kind of fit with the room. And then I have my little sign. And then there's like some candy and decor and stuff on the table. And also another thing with this, at the bottom I do have storage, and it's kind of like my little store over here. So let me just kind of get down and show y'all. Here in this basket I just have like a lot of like extra items, sponges, makeup, all kinds of stuff in there. And then I have some of my recent headbands right there, a little plaque, and then there's more lip glosses in another little thing. And then in here, this is like a lot of my skincare and like extra lip gloss and more makeup products and stuff like that. So this is kind of like my little store extra stash kind of stuff. And then in these drawers there are other extra things as well. So we have like a lot of lashes, and then in this drawer we have like contacts and stuff. So that's what's in there. So at the top you can see that I have my Audrey Hepburn picture that I had at my old place. And then we have her right here. I did lower her down so she's kind of like my height now. And yeah, so I just have this mannequin with this dress. I want to change her dress out. I kind of wanted to put my maternity shoot dress on it, but I'll probably end up selling it after I use it. But yeah, so I just have her with the blue wig, and then I have some Chanel boxes, and then this other little decorative box with more backup makeup in it. And then back here in this corner, this is like stuff that I need to film. So I have wigs and clothes and stuff like that that I need to film videos for. On my actual desk, I have this bear that my boyfriend bought me. And then I have some of my ultrasound pictures of my baby. And then I just went to Chick-fil-A, so I have that drink. And then I have all of my pens and utensils and stuff like that that I use to write in my notebook, to write down ideas and all kinds of stuff. Mac computer and keyboard, mouse pad, my chair for this area over here. So it looks like that, and it has stones on it. The light is like right there, so yeah. Then moving around here, I have my 100K plaque. I have a little dish with some candy in it, and this other little box that says I love you with some flowers and stuff that my boyfriend got once again. And I have a little diamond thing, and my phone is sitting there. Okay, so moving our way over to the makeup station. And up here above this, I do have this really pretty picture I think I got it from like Burlington, and it was perfect to kind of like divide the space out. And also I have these over each side of the desk. So I have one on my makeup side and one on my desk side where my computer is, and I really like those, and they just flip on with the switch. So there are drawers, can I say it? There are drawers on each side. So on this side I have a lot of my hair tools and stuff in there, and like other lashes. Let me just show y'all. This is not gonna be a makeup collection. I have like extra my notebooks and stuff like that in here. And then in this one we have lots of lashes. And then in this one we have more lashes. These last two we have hair tools. So this one is like curling wands, and this one is like blow dryers and flat irons and stuff. Moving along over here, I have this tower that I got from Amazon, I think, and I just have my foundations and then like serums and oils and stuff on top. And then I have my brushes in this container that I got from Burlington. I have my curling wand out because I used that today, and then you can see me and my bump in the light and all of that. But this lighting system is from Vanity Girl Hollywood. It's the same one that I have been having. I have these that I have my Q-tips in, and then like cotton rounds and stuff in this one. And then I have my little setup here with most of my daily skincare type stuff. These are two dirty sponges. And then over here I have my lip gloss tower and it's like basically lip gloss and a few lipsticks and stuff. So up here there's some more lip glosses and like setting sprays and stuff like that. And then we have lipsticks, lip gloss, lipsticks and lip gloss in this one. Lip gloss, a lot of lip glosses and lipsticks, mascara, my eyebrow stuff, all of that. I'm gonna do a separate makeup collection video, so this is kind of just an overview of the room. So I have my sponges and this little canister here, more lipsticks and lip liners, and then I have this thing with a lot of lashes in it, and it's kind of like the same thing like over there that I showed you. So it's kind of like my little store. I also have some drawers on the side that I keep extra hair stuff in, like to do my hair daily. I have two drawer systems, one, and both of those are full of my makeup collection. So we will do that at another time, or I will probably do it after this video actually. Here I have this picture. I got this from Burlington's. Ain't nothing a little wine and mascara can't fix. I have my purse trees. That's what I like to call them. And then I have some of my bags on these, but I do have my purses stored in other places as well. Sorry, the lighting is kind of like not the best right here because of the sunlight. It's kind of interfering with my lighting, but this is one of my purse trees. And then I have two bags sitting on the floor there. There are some more bags inside of that Chanel bag on the floor. And then there's another larger bag there. I have my Settee, which is this seat. It's called a Settee, and I got it from Kirklands. And the pillows are from eBay, I believe. And then over here on this side we have another bag tree or purse tree. So I have more purses. I have my little Prada bucket hat up there on the top, and you can see there are more bags. And on the floor I am preparing my hospital bag, so that's what that stuff is in there. I just kind of been ordering stuff, picking up stuff, and I'm kind of been throwing it in there till I get all of my items in that I need. Then I will go ahead and organize it and get it, you know, squared away the right way. And then I have my backpack that matches that, and then in the back behind there, that is one of my baby's diaper bags. And then I have this picture on this side that says "Too Glam to Give a Damn." On this door that leads into the closet, I have my maternity gown that is going to be used for my shoot. And on the top in the bag I have some panties to match that I will be wearing along with that. Okay, and then over here we have our perfume collection. I did do a full perfume collection video, so if you want to see all of these items, I will link that down below. And then you can see here I have a really large mirror, and this mirror is from Ikea, and it's really nice, very heavy duty, sturdy, all of that. And then over here, working our way up out of the room, we have this little setup, and here we have lipsticks and lip liners, and up on top we have more lip liners, and when you spin it around there's more lipsticks. And then we have these two things that I made that we have extra makeup brushes in that really just collect dust and are more so for decoration, because I don't really ever use those. I just use my main ones, and every now and then I will, you know, throw in another brush that I haven't used in a while. And then inside of here is actually nail polish. So I have my OPI nail polishes all at the top. I believe all of them that are at the top are OPI nail polishes. So I have the ones with the black lids, and then I have the ones that have like that chrome colored lid. And then down at the bottom I have some acetone. There's more brushes, and then there are a lot of random different brands of polish down there. So yeah, pretty much sums up this room tour. Like, I don't know why I waited so long to do it, because it was kind of just really easy to film, and I was making it more of a difficult thing and putting it off. But yeah, y'all just wanted to see the room in its fullness. Oh, and the rug that's on the floor is from Burlington's or Ross. Let me show y'all. This is the rug that's on the floor, and you can see Versace is napping on it. He loves this rug, like it's one of his faves in the house, and he just rolls around on it all the time. So okay guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. I tried to tell y'all where everything was from, but if I left something out, you can reference back to my other makeup collection video, because most of the furniture is the same, only a few things are added or switched out and stuff like that. So yeah, bye dolls, love ya.